Hi, Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants, and we are following up with Kevin today. It has been just about 2 weeks since his surgery, and he's here for a quick check and also to get his sutures removed. Tell us, Kevin, how has your past 2 weeks been, your recovery?
It's been great. I was able to go back to work in like a week ago, and I've been fine. I haven't felt no pain, felt really relaxed. Just can't wait till my hair to grow back.
Awesome. And you were telling us, which is totally normal, that you're seeing some of these scabs and they actually come off with hair in it. And he does have a little bit of coconut oil on it today, just to moisten the area. So you can see, and even in his crown as well. Totally normal. And that's a frequent question that we get. And what happens is the transplanted hairs and their follicles actually will fall out within 2 to 3 weeks. And then the new hairs, it's almost as if we planted the seeds for the new hairs to grow. And that's why it takes minimum about 4 months for these hairs to first peek through the skin surface. And the full result will be in about 9 to 12 months. And we can't wait to see it. We're really excited for him. He got a lot of hairs, and we'll be showing you some of the suture removal shortly.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.